Today is a beautiful day and we're out in Riverstone, Southwest Lakeland. Fantastic location. We've got a jewel of a home here. It is immaculate, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's go take a look. So I'm going to give you an idea of the flow of this really nice 4-bedroom, 2-bath built by LGI Homes. And it is on a corner lot. And you can see the 2-car garage. It's got sidewalks in the community. And if you haven't looked into the community, there is a lot to offer. So first of all, and let me mention, by the way, in this community, they have community pools, wide sidewalks. There is also a clubhouse, and so you're close to County Line Road, get to Tampa pretty quick, but you're in Southwest Lakeland, and a newer Publix just popped up here, probably about 10 minutes away. So let's look at the home. So you can see this is your dining area. Now this is the LVP flooring, which is great. 2 big windows overlooking the front. And this home is immaculate, built in 2021. And the owners have only stayed here probably 3 to 4 months out of the year, typically. So it is in great condition. Really nice open floor plan, a little over 1,700 square feet. And you can see the kitchen has the beautiful granite countertops. Nice big farm sink. Love the cabinet colors. They've got stainless steel appliances. There's your fridge, your range, and your microwave. Again, lots of cabinets, lots of counter space, so plenty of room to hang out with your family. And then here you've got your family room. And they've continued the flooring all the way in the main areas here. So it's great for kids, pets, easy to clean. And here's your large family room. Got a beautiful day here today in Lakeland, Florida. I'm going to show you that back area in just a minute, but just to kind of give you an idea of this nice open floor plan. Now let's go back toward the front of the home, and directly this way is going to be the master bedroom, okay? So it is a split bedroom plan. The other bedrooms are in the back of the house. You can see here, it's got a nice size master bedroom. Everything's very neutrally painted, which is great. I come back over here so you can kind of see. Let's take a look at this master bathroom. Now this has quartz countertops. It has the double sink. Look at all the room. Big mirror, nice lighting. And then a couple things. It does have the separate tub and the shower right here. It's got the built-in, so it's nice and easy to clean. Got your linens right here, nice and easy to get to, which is wonderful. And then your toilet is right behind here, okay? All right, so now this is the walk-in closet right behind the curtain, so plenty of room. So it is a walk-in. Again, they've continued the flooring there. Let's kind of close that. Here is your laundry area. It does include the washer dryer. How about that? Which is really nice. It's a Samsung too. This leads into the 2-car garage Does have a irrigation system, so that is in the garage. And the garage does have a garage door opener. So nice and easy to get inside. Now let's go to the rear of the home to give you an idea. Now back here, you have 3 bedroom and 1 bath. So I'm gonna show you to the left first. This is gonna be your full bath with a tub shower combination. Here is your, let me just prop back up here. Here's your other bathroom. Again, they've run this flooring in here, so it's really nice. Okay, then our other 3 bedrooms have carpeting here, so it's nice and soft for the feet. Again, barely been lived in, so it just feels like a new home. Back here, you've got a nice big bedroom, closet on the right, currently used for an office. And then this room is to the left. You can see the window there, and then that's the closet door. And there is a linen closet here also, which is great. And let's take a look at the backyard. So one thing to note, this is an under truss lanai. So that's not an add-on. This is something, if you ever want to enclose, you could always screen it, but it sure is nice and open, which is wonderful. And you can see here, their backyard. Got the AC over here. And then here's the back of the house. Architectural shingles, which is great. And again, you're on a corner lot, so you've got some pretty big side yard here, all the way around the corner. Now it does also have the pest defense system. You can put bait, those are like bait stations. So if you wanna take advantage of that, you can also do bait stations. So I hope this is giving you a nice idea of this immaculate, ready to go home. It's gonna be priced very competitive. So I wanna encourage you to reach out to me if you wanna take a look at the inside of it. Be happy to show it to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. Have a great day. Thank you so much for taking a look at this gorgeous home with me. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. This is a great community, Southwest Lakeland, lots to offer here with the pool, the clubhouse. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video, do me a favor, comment below your favorite feature, and let's chat about real estate. Whether it's this home or anything else, anywhere in Central Florida, my team can help you out, and we'd love to talk with you. Okay, that's what we do. We love helping clients, whether you're buying or you're selling. We really want to get with you and how can we meet your needs? And if you've liked this channel, do me a favor, there's a subscribe button up there. Go ahead and smash that. Like this video, share it with somebody. And as always, we're here for you, and we really appreciate your support.